and welcome to It's Just Good Cooking with Chef Carlton.
Hi, viewers and subscribers. Let's check out this competition between Chef Jay and Chef Carlton. Let's go, guys.
Hello, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to another cooking experience on Carlton Hall's YouTube channel. I'm Chef Jay, and Chef Carlton actually hit me up and said he wanted to do Chinese cook-off. So today I'm gonna challenge him to a stir fry. So I'm gonna do a shrimp stir fry for you guys. So just stick around and enjoy. So this is how your vegetables must look. If you notice, I cut them in big chunks. Yeah, whenever I'm cooking a stir fry, and I like my veggies in big chunks. If you notice, I got my bell peppers, got tomato, I got mushrooms over there, carrot, those carrots are cut thinly cut, and I got broccoli and my onions right here. Alright, now we're moving on to the sauce. This is what I basically use whenever I'm making just a regular stir fry sauce. I have my Worcestershire sauce, I have some sesame seed, onion powder, black pepper, a little paprika, some soy sauce, and then 2 cloves of garlic. I just like minced that and added to it. So you want your finishing product to look just like this. I actually add some cornstarch just to thicken it. So if you notice, this is really thick, really tasty, guys. It's gonna be really lovely. So we're gonna get to the cooking part of it right now. So you want to make sure your flame is on high heat just to get that everything sizzling and ready to go. Got me some butter in there. Alright, I'm gonna start adding my peppers. So I'm gonna get my peppers in there. I'm gonna just put everything inside right now. The broccoli. If you notice, that looks so beautiful. So beautiful. Smelling so good so far. Just that butter. It's amazing. That smell. Look at that. You want to get that sauteed down. Make sure all your veggies are nice, and you don't want to cook them too much. You want them to be a little crunchy. Some people cook their veggies really soft, but I think a stir fry is really nice when you could get that crunch in your veggies. Next, I'm gonna put my sauce in, just like that. That's beautiful, beautiful. All right. I'm gonna go ahead now and dump my shrimps in. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now we're gonna do our plating. So,
Nice, nice. Very impressive, chef. I like that dish. Very good looking dish. So hi guys. So we were supposed to do this competition in person, courtesy of CC and J Bar and Grill. But due to the whole social distancing and COVID-19, you know, I decided it's best if we do it from home rather than cancel. So let's get to it. I'm going to be making chicken stir fry. All right, so let's get cooking.
So these are all the veggies I'll be using for my stir fry. Once you get everything all cut up, let's get going. Start with some oil. All right, now you add your chicken. Add some sesame oil. A bit of salt. A bit of pepper. And just let that cook. Alright, so now that the chicken is cooked, you're going to go ahead and add your veggies. Start with the carrots, broccoli, the onions, the small peas and ginger, and you add your peppers. And now we're going to make the sauce. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the sauce inside. You can make it separate if you want. Let's start with some sesame oil. A little bit of ginger. Liquid ginger in this case. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. Pinch. And some oyster sauce. And some soy sauce. There you go. You can combine all of those. Just let it cook for like a minute. Now that's ready for you. Now you could add your noodles. Alright, and now the plate up. And that's my dish for the stir fry competition.
Thanks to everyone who stick around through this great experience. If you ever want any cooking ideas, you're home, you want to make a meal, you're not sure what you want to cook, then you could always go to my Instagram page at chefj_20, where you could get a lot of ideas. So thank you and God bless.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. I certainly have. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and follow me at chef_Drogba on Instagram. And if you have any culinary question, any cooking questions, leave a comment below. I'll sure to get to them. Peace out. God bless.